Hello everyone, are you ready for some phonics today? Fantastic. Bounce my sounds 3 times. Amazing. I've got some pictures here. I'm going to have a look at my pictures. What sound can you hear at the beginning? My turn, your turn. Insects. Instruments. Ink. Igloo. Well done. Were you listening carefully for that first sound? Let's do it again and bounce the first sound. My turn, your turn. Insect. Instruments. Ink. Igloo. Fantastic. Did you hear that first sound? What do you think it was in igloo, instruments, insect? Did you say the I sound? You are right. Would you like to have a look at the I sound today? Are you ready? Are you steady? I. This is the I sound. I. Fantastic. What's the sound? I. Well done. Okay, I am going to do some roboting and you are going to blend. So wake up your blending arms. Are you ready? Are you steady? Your first word is ink. Ink. And igloo. Igloo. And your last word is grin. Grin. Can you do a big grin? That's a big smile. Big grin. Very good. Okay, now it's your turn to be the robot. So wake up your robot arms. Put in some new batteries. Wake them, shake them up. Well done. Your first word is tin. Tin. Very good. Your next word is pit. And your last word, listening carefully, this one's a bit tricky, is milk. Like I love to drink milk. Milk. Let's do it together. Milk. Milk. Well done. Can you remember the sound we're looking at today? It is the I sound. I. Fantastic. Okay, we are going to read some words. When we read, what do? We look at the letters, make the sounds, blend the sounds together. Everyone, we. Very good. Okay, I've got some words here. Are you ready? You sitting up straight, looking carefully. Off we go. Sit. Well done. Sit. And your next word. Are you ready? Are you steady? Off we go. tip. Well done. Tip, tip. And another one. Lots of words today. Off we go. Pit, pit, pit. Well done. And your last word. Ooh, last word. Off we go. Pit, pit, pit. Oh, should we flash them up? Do you think you can remember them? Sit, tip, pit, pip, pit, pip, sit. Very good. Remember, we're practicing the I sound, I. And we're going to practice writing it now. So get yourself a pen or a pencil and something to write on. Have you got it? Are you ready? To help us write the I sound, we can look at this picture like it's an I, insects. Okay, so we go down the body, a dot for its head. So let's do it together. Off we go. Down the body, a dot for the head. Do a finger space. Down the body, a dot for the head. Lovely, keep practicing. Down the body, a dot for its head. We like to give our insect a lovely flick at the bottom. We don't just make it straight like this. We could, but we like to give our ones a lovely flick at the bottom. Down the body, a dot for the head. Lovely, keep practicing. What sound are you writing? Tell me. I. Fantastic. Okay, we are going to write some words. When we write words, what do? We say the word, say the word, say the word, robot the word, write the word. Everyone, we. Amazing. Okay, robot arms out. Your first word is tip. Off we go. And writing it down. Did you write it down? Are you ready to show? In 3, 2, 1. Tip, tip, tip. Very good. Remember, we always start on this side of the page or the board and we always write towards the sun. You know that. Okay, and our next word, robot arms, is pip. Off we go. Lovely, writing it down. Are you ready? Are you steady? In 3, 2, 1. Pip, pip, pip. Fantastic, everyone. Oh, and just quickly, can you remember our sound today? The I sound. I. Very good. You have done such amazing phonics today. I think you should give yourselves a big round of applause and a pat on the back. And the other side and say, I'm amazing at my phonics. You are. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.